Farmers Grove South High School has recently made a decision to close the vending machines during school hours and move them to the West Events entrance.
We now go to Principal Erwin Lipp as she discusses her role and why the vending machines are now at West Events.
We are really committed to making the cafeteria area a really nice, comfortable, open space for students to have study hall. And so since the vending machines are off during the school day, we thought they were taking up space there unnecessarily. So we moved them to West Events where there's more room.
We now head down to 7th period, where we get the reactions and opinions of some students about the vending machines at West Events.
I use the vending machine sometimes before and after school and during the day sometimes. I feel like when they were disabled, it was just kind of annoying that you could see the vending machines, you could see the food in them, you could see that it was $1 and you only have $1 in your pocket, but you can't get food. And that's what it's like for a lot of students. And then I guess taking it away, it made things maybe a little bit better because it's not just sitting out with a bunch of food there. But yeah, I think it would be a lot better if they just had the vending machines again instead of just taking them away, because that's how a lot of students get food with not as much money as it takes for the stables and the cafe and the cafeteria.
Yeah, I'll get something from the stable or the cafe, but it's a lot more inconvenient, especially when I can have cash or use my credit card on the vending machines. I can't do that at the stable usually.
This is Henry Pearson with DGS Blueprint News.